Everybody sing.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
One more time, louder and faster. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Everybody in the count of three, let's shout happy birthday, Matthew. And 3, 2, 1. Matthew, wait. Make a wish. Close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Make a wish. Make a wish. After your wish, you can now blow your candle. Okay, ready? You can now blow your candle, Matthew. Yes! Happy birthday! And I heard, Jollibee, that you have a birthday wish for a birthday celebrant. Everybody, please help me to count. Look at Jollibee. How many wishes do you have? Ready? Count louder and 2, 3, and 3, and 3, and 3, and 3, and 3, and 3. Jollibee, what is your first wish? Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up handsome, macho like Daddy. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up smart like Mommy and Daddy. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up rich, more money like Mommy and Daddy. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up generous to everyone. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up prayerful and faithful. One more, Jollibee. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up have a big dream and to make his dream come true. Yes. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up never be a hard-headed like who? Like who? Just kidding daw. Joke lang po. Okay. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up, have a big heart and lovable to Mommy and Daddy and Kuya and to your brother. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up strong, healthy, like Jollibee and every one of you. One more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up hindi kakain sa wala kami sinabi! Dear friends, say hi. Your friends, right? Say hi. Oh, Marilyn! Joke lang po yun. Okay, one more. Jollibee wish Matthew to grow up, always be happy like Jollibee. Thank you, Jollibee, and I hope that all your wish come true. May I request everybody come closer. Let's take a video, everyone. Mag-video po tayo. Video. Come closer, please. Picture muna tayo kay Grandpa. Okay.